Hello, come in everybody. We got a Donkey Stomper 550V HG 2x4. This is a rebuild. The customer knows who he is. It was I don't know. It's a bunch of things happened to it over the years. He bought it used secondhand, and I've rebuilt it now, and it should be just like a brand spanking new one. I know you said you wanted 2 fans over here. I told you I could, but I wasn't thinking. They won't fit in here because of power supply. If I put the fans on top, it wouldn't be pretty. It'd look ugly. So we're going to leave it like that with 2 fans. But she's all up and ready to go for you, man. We'll start out looking straight through SWR. Worldwide, like we do. Here's our drive. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh yeah, I put pills in this. Put 4 in the output. I didn't put no drivers. I put 4 output pills in it. New tuning cap. Hooked the relay back up right. Put new resistors in there, several things, but she's up and ready to go, man. Flyback resistors and capacitors, everything. Like I said, it ought to be just like, I mean, it's as good as a new one. Alright, I'm gonna turn him on, barrel wide open, input SWR, worldwide, get on down. I'm gonna turn it on peak. They just got the 1000 in there, but that's good enough. 1000 watt PEP slug, bird PEP kit. Hello 2x4, hello 2x4, sailing all the way over in the corner. On the OLP. Hello 2x4. You know, such your day key about 100, you know, on the radio is probably, let's see, my radio, I'm keying 1.1. So 2 watts, keys about all you can put into it. Hello 2x4, hello 2x4, hello 2x4, look at your tune right there. See your output tune, reflex 0. Hello 2x4, hello 2x4, hello 2x4, getting on down, Donkey Stomper, getting on down. But she's all fixed up, ready to go for you, bud. Appreciate you, we got her, like I said, she's just as good as a brand new one now. You should be happy. All HG 16D08, so change your label too. Where it's right. But I appreciate the business, man. Appreciate y'all watching. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube. Appreciate everybody out there, and hope everybody has a good holidays. Hope y'all had a good turkey day. Hope everything goes your way. Your friend in 10-018 Beavis. Catch you later on. Bye bye.